So Doug found a great deal on shrimp. So we made shrimp Alfredo, semi-homemade. What do you like in yours? Let me show you how quick and easy this meal is to throw together. First step, cook your pasta according to package directions. Now, I am doubling this because the boys want leftovers for tomorrow. So, normally you wouldn't need quite this much pasta, but this is 2 pounds of pasta. So, I'm going to get 2 to 3 meals out of that. Okay, 2. Okay, once your pasta is all done, we're going to reserve a cup of water. This is really good to use when we're making our sauce. Now, we are going to use a jar of Alfredo sauce, but it's not enough. So I'm going to supplement. So we're going to add a little bit of butter. And we're going to add, I have a thing of cream cheese already opened. So we're going to add that in there. So I did turn down the heat, but it's still warm, obviously. Okay, once you turn it down, we're going to add in heavy whipping cream, and that will help. So we're just going to get the clumps out, and we're going to add in Parmesan, and this is Romano cheese, so we're going to add a little bit of that. And the pasta sauce, if you have pasta water, that's where the pasta water can come in to thin this out if you need it, but you don't have to. So, but you always want to reserve it just in case. Now we're going to add in our jar of Alfredo sauce. So if you have trouble opening stuff, this is, so we're going to pour this in. Now, here's where your water can come in. I want to use everything in there. Oops. Don't dribble like I did. I should have done it over the pot. Okay, shake it up. Okay. Now we're going to mix it. Get a nice blend. So this is our semi-homemade dish. Especially if you only have 1 jar of sauce and you need to supplement, that's what you can do. Now we're going to add our spinach. So that can start to wilt. That was a sad, get a better spoon than that. Now here's our shrimp. The shrimp Doug found on a clearance. It was already cooked. So that's why I didn't show you how to cook it, because this is already cooked. So we're going to go ahead and add this in. I did cut them in half, but all I want to do now is heat all of this up, and then we'll add in the pasta. If I can do this, anybody can do this. This is shrimp Alfredo. What would you add to yours?